my name is Eunhee, and I'll share with you Next Hike, which is a trail recommender. Hikers often use trail labs and websites to search for trails to hike, and current hike recommendations are solely based on location, which is nearby trails. So users who want to find trails further away, they need to rely on searching and filtering. So the goal of this project is to create recommendations that are within state, but maybe not limited to nearby trails. The data was collected from alltrails.com, a total of 1,000 trails in California, and 400K ratings from 200K users were collected. And the features included numerical, categorical, and string type values. Two types of recommenders were built. One is a content-based filtering, which looks at a trail that was liked by a hiker and finds similar trails to that trail, and that gets recommended to the hiker. Collaborative filtering is where you look at hikers who are similar to you and recommend the hikes that were liked by the similar hikers. The pro of the content-based filtering is that it does not require user information, but also it does not provide a personalized recommendation. However, for collaborative filtering, it does provide personalized recommendation, but does require a large data set with low sparsity. It can be computationally costly. So for collaborative filtering, the model was evaluated at mean average precision at 5 recommendations. The random baseline model was giving random recommendation, and compared to the baseline, matrix factorization models did slightly better, and the user similarity model did about 6 times better than the baseline model. However, overall, given the limitations of the data, such as sparsity or number of ratings from the user, building a good model as well as having a good evaluation metric was not super easy. So I moved on to a content-based recommendation, which is a more robust and easy to understand recommendation. Here, similarity between trails were calculated based on both stats like difficulty and duration, as well as texts, which are like activity and sceneries. And you can see that for a hiker who likes 7 Falls Trail, which features fall, the recommendations are shown here, where 3 out of the 5 recommendations include falls, and their stats were quite similar to the user input. I've also built a web app called Next Hike, so if you want to give it a try, feel free to visit this website. So overall, I have built trail recommender system. Non-location-based trail recommendation seems to be challenging due to limitations in data. So as of now, a content-based filtering method could serve the purpose of giving trail recommendations that are not necessarily in the vicinity. So please feel free to check out my web app, Next Hike. Thank you.